Alright guys, so today I'm here with Beauty Forever here. I have a transparent lace front wig. It's straight hair, it's pre-plucked, and it's 180% in density. If I'm incorrect with any of this information, don't forget to check the description section below because it will be corrected there, because sometimes I just don't be knowing. Girl, don't be knowing. So yeah, the lace is a 13x4. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So of course it came with a little elastic band. It also came with the wig cap. Alright guys, so this is how my wig is looking. I did go ahead and add foundation, like I said, off camera. If you guys hear a little noise, that's my fan. So I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm gonna push everything back. And this just literally keeps all the hair in place while I'm cutting off the lace. Alright, now that the lace is cut off, I'm gonna go ahead and push everything, well, just push this back a little bit and wipe off my hairline. I low-key OD'd on the foundation because like I have different lighting so I can't see, but as I'm looking in my mirror I realized that I put too much foundation. Today I'm trying the GOT2B glue high insta hold hairspray. Okay, 24-hour control, and it says no residue and no stickiness. I have been using this faithfully off camera just to see how it would work, and let me tell you, this stuff is the business. Not only did GOT2B glue improve spray, they also made it smell bomb. The only thing that I have to say is very tricky to use, because now that they have stopped the stickiness with this spray, sis, I don't know when to put it down. I don't know when to like lay it down so it can melt. So wait a couple of seconds first and then put it down. It's already gonna be dry. It dries very, very fast. So I like it, and it says fast drying too. I really like this spray, but it's a little bit of more of a tedious process, and this gives you a stronghold. I try not to pull it too tight because then it's gonna look like my forehead. Sometimes my forehead don't be looking realistic because your girl got a 5 head, so she does push down. She does make a fake hairline, so don't come for me, y'all. Do not come for me. Not today, not today. I'm just gonna keep spraying and laying and pulling. Not too tight on this side because I do got a little bit more hair on this side than the other. But I love that this hair is so soft. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb ready because baby girl's gonna need some love up there. Now I'm going with my wax stick because these flyaways, baby, cannot be existing. You do not want to see this. See them lumps and stuff? We gotta get that as flat as possible. Hopefully this part is straight since I'm sitting slanted. Come out of my pot, be quickie. And then I like to part it so it can be super duper flat. And then I'm gonna put some wax in there so that can lay down as well. My battery is dying, so. But I do not like bulky frontals, bulky closures, so this is a little trick I learned. Well, it's not a trick, it's just making everything flat. Now look at that, look at that, beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see really, but still it looks 20 times better than it did when I first started. So sometimes you gotta go in and get them sections so it can just lay so freaking flat. I still see this bulky part up here, and it could be because I got a braid there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I wasn't gonna do nothing, to be honest. It did come with the guideline for the baby hairs, so if you guys struggle a little bit or don't know where to start or the length, it does come with like a standard length. However, I do cut mine shorter. And I was just gonna take my scissors and cut at an angle. And if you're new to this, start longer. Don't cut way up here. Because I'm telling you, I used to try to start too short. I always just mess up my baby hairs. Alright, so I did go ahead and put baby hairs all around the hair. That's just for your protection. Like if the wind's blowing you out and the wind's blowing, you won't just be looking all types of crazy. It'll be so cute under there. But I think I'm gonna wear it straight down today. That's something I don't think I've done before. Just wear it like in the middle. Let me detangle this first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this out. There's really nothing to this part, as you guys know. Flat iron is flat iron. I'm just detangling it from the bottom and then working my way up. I'm gonna spray some BioSilk on her. Brush that in. And then I'm gonna throw a little of my tea on there. You have to be careful with this because it weighs down your hair if you put too much, and you don't want that stringy look. You want it nice and flowy, and I think I OD'd on it in this section, but it's okay. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all know when I do straight hair, normally I always have it going so you guys can see my baby hairs. This time I really only did baby hairs for the purpose of I'm going outside. It's windy out there, so if my hair start blowing around, I'm not going to be looking stupid under here. Okay, it's just going to be looking nice and cute and flawless either way, so nobody can catch me slipping. Okay, nobody's coming for me today. I always tell you guys, when you guys do your hair, you got to make sure you're doing your hair like somebody is checking for you, because you know it's just people out here who's always just trying to check for your weave. So I mean, that's how I normally do my installs. I love how the middle part turned out. I think it's like in the middle. You know, I'm sitting at an angle, so who knows, but I really love how this turned out. Like I said, I'm just completely obsessed with this unit. Okay, oh my goodness, it's so soft and it's so silky, and I have not washed, conditioned, or I did not pluck it. So with this unit, I did experience minimum tangling and minimum shedding. Shedding did not occur until I actually started going into the unit and cutting off the lace, and after that it simmered down and was just, you know, the average shedding, 1 or 2 strands here and there. So far I'm really obsessed with this hair. Okay, I'm obsessed with it, period. So all the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below, so if I did miss anything or anything like that, don't forget to check there. So yeah, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.